Marriott Bonvoy Boundless Credit Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? You won't believe how much free travel you can unlock with just one hotel credit card. The Marriott Bonvoy Boundless Credit Card has become one of the most popular hotel cards in 2025, and for good reason. Every year, cardholders receive a free night certificate that can be used at thousands of Marriott properties around the world. Many of these hotels easily cost more than the annual fee, which means this single benefit alone can make the card pay for itself. You earn points on every purchase, with higher earning rates at Marriott hotels, dining, and everyday spending categories. Marriott points are flexible and can be used for hotel stays, upgrades, and special experiences. Most people get this wrong, but Marriott points often stretch further than expected, especially during off-peak travel seasons. The card also offers automatic Silver Elite status, which gives you late checkout and bonus points on paid stays. Over time, you can even work your way up to higher elite levels faster thanks to elite night credits that come with the card. There is an annual fee, but it is modest compared to premium travel cards. If you stay at Marriott hotels even once or twice a year, the value you receive can easily outweigh the cost. The downside is that if you prefer boutique hotels or Airbnb-style travel, this card may not fit your lifestyle. But if you enjoy Marriott properties, the Boundless Card is one of the easiest ways to get free hotel nights. In 2025, the Marriott Bonvoy Boundless Credit Card is absolutely worth it for frequent hotel travelers who want free nights, elite perks, and flexible points without paying premium level fees.